In the Department of Geography and in the College of Social Sciences, we pride ourselves on the connection that we have through generations of students and faculty. And one thing that we're really excited about today is to help celebrate some of that legacy of some of our retired faculty.
I was offered a job here at the University of Hawaii in 1972. Decided this was my home and I've been here ever since. I had wonderful colleagues. I had the opportunity to interact with hundreds of students. I hope I affected students anyway by giving them an appreciation of the natural environment, because that was my fascination.
I'm participating in Service Day mainly because it's a good opportunity to get out in the field related to what I'm studying. Being able to understand place helps us understand people better.
To teach our students to be aware about where we are, our positions, and how we affect the environment locally as well as globally.
I appreciate the College of Social Sciences because they give me amazing opportunities like this to go and experience the Aina and give back to the Aina.
Follow your love, follow your interest. Identify it, of course, but find out where it leads you.